In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TradingView and OKX crypto account. We'll start on TradingView because the connection is made directly from its charting interface. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your settings and connection can be saved. If you're new to the platform, the free version works for this, though features can vary by plan and region. Next, pick any market you want to view so you can open a full chart. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the watch list and symbol area. Choose a symbol there or use the search bar to find a crypto pair you're interested in. This doesn't lock you into trading that symbol later, it just gives you a chart to work from. Now open the full featured chart, look for the full chart option and click it. This brings up the main TradingView workspace with all the tools, drawing features, and most importantly, the trading connection panel we need. At the bottom of the chart, locate the trading panel. It's in the lower left of the screen. If you don't see it, expand the panel by clicking the tab so the broker list becomes visible. This is where TradingView lists supported brokers and exchanges. Scroll through the available options and find OKX. Click the OKX tile to bring up the connection prompt. If you don't see it, double check that your TradingView region and plan support this integration. You'll be asked whether you want to connect a live account or a demo account. Choose demo if you want to practice and test orders without risking funds. Choose live when you're ready to trade real balances. You can switch later, but keep in mind they are separate sessions. Click connect to continue. A login or authorization window may appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate and grant the required permissions. Make sure your pop-up blocker is disabled for this step and that your OKX account has any required verifications completed. After authorization, TradingView should confirm the connection and you'll see OKX listed as connected in the trading panel. The order ticket and account details will appear so you can monitor balances and place orders from the chart. If you run into issues, refresh the chart, revisit the trading panel, and try the connection again. Check for regional restrictions, ensure you're using the correct account or sub-account, and verify that two-factor prompts are completed. To switch between live and demo, disconnect from the panel and reconnect with the other option. You're all set. Your TradingView and OKX accounts are now connected.